Hi, welcome back to Music Chemistry, Stoichiometry Conversions, Grams to Moles, Lesson 1. Alright, so we're going to be looking at a different type of reaction today. We're looking at reaction stoichiometry, which is different than just regular stoichiometry. In reaction stoichiometry, you actually have to use an equation right there. So we have NH3 plus O2 yields NO plus H2O. Well, the first thing you have to do is you have to look at this. Well, I've got to balance this because my hydrogens on the left have 3 and my hydrogens on the right have 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a 4 here. I'm going to put a 6 there. So that'll give me 12 hydrogens on the left and 12 hydrogens on the right. Now, because I put a 4 in front of that NH3, I have to put a 4 in front of the NO. So now my nitrogens are balanced. They both have 4 on the left and 4 on the right. But what about my oxygens? I've got 4 oxygens here and 6 oxygens there. So that gives me 10 oxygens. So I'm going to need probably 5 oxygens right. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this. I have 824 grams of NH3. And I want to turn that into moles. So I'm going to go from something like that's called my grams to my moles to their moles. See, because I'm going from my grams here to their moles up there. Pretty easy. All right. But how do I turn 824 grams of NH3 into moles of NH3? I have to know the molar mass of NH3. So that's easy to figure out. So you go N is equal to 1 times 14.01. And then we've got H, got 3 of those, times 1.01. This is going to give me 14.01 plus 3.03. That's going to give me 17.04 grams per mole of NH3. Now that we have that, we're ready to solve. So we go 824 grams of NH3 times 1 mole of NH3 divided by that molar mass that we just found right there. So 1 mole of NH3 has a mass of 17.04 grams of NH3. Pretty simple so far. So we went from my grams to my moles when we did that. But we don't want my moles, we want their moles. So we got to go from my moles to their moles. To do that, we need the molar ratio. The molar ratio is this right here compared to this there, right? Notice that's a 4 to 4, which would also be the same thing as a 1 to 1. So, because 4 over 4 is 1 to 1. So we're going to put 4 moles of NH3 there and 4 moles of NO. Because we put an equal sign there. So our grams are canceled out. So we divide 824 by 17.04. And when we do that, we multiply that by 1. Then we're going to times that number by 4 and then divide that number by 4. So when we do all the math, what's it going to be? It's going to be 48.4 moles of NO. Pretty simple. Again, remember, take the 824 grams, divide it by the 17.04 grams, multiply that number by 4, then divide that number by 4, and this will be pretty straightforward, guys. If you like this video, give us a like and consider subscribing so we can grow this channel. You guys be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moosing Chemistry!